In this video, we'll show you how to turn off the software update notifications on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. So to do this, first head to the settings app, scroll all the way down and then tap on apps. Now here tap this filter and sort icon and then enable this show system apps toggle. Now tap on OK. Now tap the search icon at the top and here search for software update. So simply type in software and now select the first result that appears. Now go to notifications. Now in some cases this allow notification option will be grayed out, as you can see it is in my case. So what you can do is turn off all these settings, so prevent this update notifications from appearing on the lock screen or making a sound. Now go back to the previous menu, select the second entry that appears and repeat the same process. Turn off the notifications from here if you can. If not, disable all these toggles. Another thing you need to do is head back to the settings page, tap on software update, tap the three dot icon and select auto download. Now set this to never so that your phone doesn't automatically download updates. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.